Another postponement in the more than 400 million rand Transnet corruption case. 11 accused, which include former executive Siyabonga Gama, Molefe and Anoj Singh, appeared before the Palm Ridge Commercial Crimes Court on Thursday. All the accused are facing charges which include fraud, corruption and money laundering. I filed this report earlier.
The country was made aware of the intricate details of what possibly could have happened at one of the country's key state-owned entities between 2012 and 2015. Transnet, which plays an integral role in economic activity, didn't escape corruption during the state capture era. 11 accused, which include former executives Molefe and Anoj Singh, face charges of corruption, fraud, money laundering and contravention of the Public Finance Management Act. The charges stem from the procurement of over 1,000 locomotives at a cost of 54 billion rand 10 years ago. The tender was awarded to a consortium led by McKinsey. Regiments and Trillion, both Gupta-linked entities, were irregularly enlisted and paid lavish consultancy fees. The State Capture Commission of Inquiry heard evidence that 122 million rand of 189 million rand paid in advisory fees to Trillion on the China Development Bank loan, which in part financed the acquisition, flowed to the Gupta's family Sahara Computer Company. Transnet paid 93.4 million rand to Trillion in 2015 to help secure the 12 billion rand deal. Molefe, Singh and Gama denied any knowledge of wrongdoing when they appeared before the Zondo Commission. There are concerns that the National Prosecuting Authority might not have enough evidence, but the investigating directorate believes it has a strong case.
In terms of complex corruption and matters of this nature, they do take time, and that's actually on either side, because in every other appearance, if you appear here and there's, after studying the voluminous docket, one of the accused says that they need a document X, which they think is not in the docket, it will then mean that we need to postpone yet again and provide that particular documentation. However, be it as it may, delays are sometimes from either of the two parties, but it's not unusual for matters of this nature to take years to be concluded. In terms of successful prosecution of all of the accused, the prosecutor's role is to ensure that we bring cases that we believe are strong to court.
Some accused have asked for their bail conditions to be eased as they want to travel abroad for business. The directorate will hear the application in August, while the matter is expected back in court in September. Heidi Giokos in Johannesburg.